Hi, it's Emily here, and this is another haul video. Studio Calico recently had a buy one kit, get the previous kit for free sale, so I took advantage of the great deal. I've been wanting to start a traveler's notebook for ages and felt this was the right time. When I made this purchase, I thought I was buying a single kit and getting one for free, but this wasn't the case. I didn't realize I was signing up for the month-to-month subscription until I was shipped the current month's kit, so just be aware when you're taking advantage of these kit sales. I'm not saying this is a bad thing, but I was surprised by it. The nice thing is I can skip every other month, but I probably won't since I don't know what I'm skipping and I'll probably regret it. Anyway, I wanted to show you how much you get with each of these Traveler's Notebook kits. They range from $28.99 a month to $32.99 a month, depending on whether you pay for a full year, half year, or month-to-month subscription. This first kit is the Full Hearts Traveler's Notebook kit from February 2020. I love that each kit comes in a zippered pouch. It's clear so you can see everything that's inside. Everything's individually sealed so nothing is damaged in transport, and if the box gets wet in the rain, everything is protected. I love the florals on the cover, and I'll flip through it quickly to show you what the different pages look like. A colorful hello there, white stars on black, a love list, stars, let the good times roll, fading dots, happy things, dotted stripes, delight in the little things, noteworthy. I really like this one. The floral pattern on the cover, what a time to be alive. Hearts and loving all of this. I love this label with the angled black and white stripes. And these adorable rainbows. This weekly happiness list is really cute too. Next is a pack of black and white stickers with speech bubbles and fun patterns. I really love these and the fact that there are 2 sheets of them. These flower stickers are gorgeous and the colors coordinate with the Full Hearts Traveler's Notebook pages. Again, there are 2 sheets, and these ones are clear, which is so cool. They'll look great on their own or layered over other patterns and colors. Next is a sheet of olive green journaling labels. This is one of my favorite colors, so I really love these. Every Traveler's Notebook kit comes with a 3x4-inch stamp set, and this one was designed by Goldenwood Co. The bold word delightful is accompanied by 3 smaller phrases that say good stuff, kind of wonderful, and this everyday moment. There's a group of stars, a dotted grid, and a squiggly line. I really love that dotted grid because you can do so much with it and stamp it in any color. This little package contains 17 acetate hearts. Some have patterns and others are solid. One side is shiny and the other side is matte. I don't have any ideas for these yet, but I'm sure I'll end up incorporating them into my layouts. The last item is a roll of 1-inch washi tape, which is a red grid printed on light pink. It'll be fun to use this as a border or accent. This second kit is the High 5 Traveler's Notebook kit, and it's from January 2020. This cover has scattered dots with stars, and the first page has a label for New Year goals, which is fun. I don't think I've ever set New Year's goals, but I'll have to come up with something creative for this page. There are bold stripes and a monochromatic notes page, which I really love. Super cool stripes, a page that matches the cover, and for the record, a cute camera, big stars, cool circles, all the ways to say yes, pretty stripes, and a fun Venn diagram in the center. Loving right now, and a dark version of the cover. Good things ahead, a fun ticket pattern. I love this 1/4 to 3/4 page. Yay! Flowers, a big ticket and labels, which I'll probably use to showcase a concert. Another monochromatic page, but in lighter colors. A white notebook page with thoughts for yesterday, today, and tomorrow. And positive words. The stamp set for this kit was designed by In a Creative Bubble, and I've been a huge fan of Geraldine Size for as long as I can remember. I would love to own every single one of her stamp sets. This one includes a beautifully scripted remember with smaller sentiments that read, today's adventure, date, place, so very happy, this happened, and this moment. I love the solid triangle and quarter pie, solid star, starburst, and heart. The label is unique, and the solid stripe and dotted stripe will be great for labels or creating stamped patterns. Next is a cute package of 10 tickets. This is the kind of thing I love to hoard, so I'll be conflicted about using these because they're so pretty. As far as I can tell, this 1-inch washi tape is pink with orange and navy stripes. This is probably my least favorite item in both kits so far. I am a huge fan of these star stickers. Again, there are 2 sheets, and I love that there are 6 colors and 3 different sizes. These long strips are useful for titles and borders, plus I can see myself cutting them to create confetti or a pattern with texture. I adore these circles, which are half solid color and half slanted black and white stripes. These could be used as is or cut in half to create custom circles, a scalloped border, or other pattern. As always, there's a sheet of journaling or date labels. These are a pale teal, which is a great color too, and they kind of match my sweater. This third kit is the mystery kit that was offered for only $5, which is a spectacular deal and impossible to resist. This one turns out to be the Letters Home Traveler's Notebook Kit, which is from October 2019. Fall is my favorite season, or at least it used to be when we had a proper fall, but I do love fall colors, so I knew right away that I'd love this kit. The cover is really cute and subtle for Halloween. The first page is a blank white page, so it's pretty much anything goes. I love these falling orange dots. All I need is this, and this. Beautiful stripes. Angled dots in my favorite 1/4 to 3/4 style panel. Polka dots. Adorable falling leaves. And a really cool geometric spread. Definitely my favorite in this notebook. Polka dots to match the cover. Ombre labels. Beautiful leaves. You are golden. A polka dotted ledger. Currently here but wishing I were here instead. Falling dashes. More polka dots, heart of gold ledger, berries, daily highlight, a really cool zigzag pattern, and another blank page. This little package of 8 leaf stickers by Jasmine Jones is to die for. I had some trouble getting them out because a few of the backings had shifted, and one of them was missing part of its backing, so they were stuck to each other and the sleeve. These are the prettiest colors together. They're also quite puffy and textured, which makes them unique. Maybe a little unusual for a traveler's notebook since most everything is flat. This next product is a tiny notebook of polka dotted houses. The colors match the polka dotted ledger page in the Letters Home notebook. It would be cute to use this house on a darker background or even cut different shapes out of it and stamp on them. The adorable stamp set by Jasmine Jones has a cute tag-shaped notebook page, polka dots, a sentiment that reads "Good things are happening," tiny glasses that look just like mine, a pencil, and a beautifully scripted home. This 1/2-inch roll of washi tape is what I would describe as a cross between copper and rose gold. I think you could say it's a dark rose gold, and it would definitely make a statement. Next is one of the cutest things I've ever seen. These are vintage postage stamps, and there are 80 of them. They're so fun to look at, and it'll be fun to incorporate these into travel pages. I love these labels, especially the quality, the colors, and the fact that there are 2 sheets. The same goes for the second package of stickers. The colors all coordinate with the pages in the Letters Home notebook, and I love the words and patterns. In addition to the 3 traveler's notebook kits, I got a few other items, including 2 notebook inserts and 2 stamp sets. This is the Bookish Traveler's Notebook insert, and I was drawn to the name originally because I'm a book lover, but also to the dark cover with flowers. It starts with a library card, dashed lines, the light version of the cover, scallops, "This is my happy place," a ledger, a big ampersand, diamonds with today's highlights, the best moment, polka dots, a stunning floral frame, this and that, bold stripes, best day ever, more scallops, borrower's card, pretty stripes. Life is made up of little moments, and this is probably my favorite page in this notebook. Plus signs on one side and loving this, feeling this, and wishing this on the other, large florals, and currently reading. This is the Paradise Cove Traveler's Notebook insert, and I was obviously drawn to the travel theme of this one. It starts with a getaway page and an adorable suitcase. These stripes remind me of the awning of a cute shop, good vibes all the time, striped stripes, a topographical map with loved it and didn't love it, polka dots, cacti, a heart-shaped topographical map, tropical stripes, a world map, and there's so much you could do with this. The same leaves on the cover, but in a different color. Rows of dots, waves, long days, slow nights, warm sun, cold drinks, sand and water, salt and smiles, a flamingo, daily highlight, polka shapes, enjoy the journey, an adorable globe, and you are here. Next is the Game Night stamp set by In a Creative Bubble. This was a must-have stamp set since my family plays a lot of board and card games. When my son was younger, it was hard to find good games for 3 people, but now we're on a roll and mostly addicted to Scrabble, Blockus, Othello, Clue, Risk, and the various Uno card games. The funniest sentiment is, "Sorry for what I said while playing blank." I love all the little icons and the label to record what game was played and who won. The last item I bought is the Oak Hill Lodge 6x8 stamp set. This was from the October 2019 stamp kit subscription. My favorite sentiment here is, "I need a day between Saturday and Sunday." Who doesn't, right? I love that the 3 circular sentiments can be stamped on their own or inside the solid circle and completed with one of the cute images in the center. The checkbox list is also really cute and can be stamped inside the square label. I love the little patterned rectangles which fit inside the arrow label. To review in reverse, I got the Game Night stamp set, the Paradise Cove Traveler's Notebook insert, the Bookish Traveler's Notebook insert, the Mystery Kit, which is the Letters Home Traveler's Notebook Kit, the High Five Traveler's Notebook Kit, and the Full Hearts Traveler's Notebook Kit. I'm going to pull some photos together and create Traveler's Notebook pages with these beautiful products and share them in some process videos. Stay tuned and be sure to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. Thanks so much for watching!